Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Dungeon Hunter 6 error code 137018. The error reads, "Unstable connection. Please try again later." As per our research, the error comes when players try to open the game. Some users have shared that their other game apps are working fine, but they are unable to play games and receive this error. According to our research, this error is most likely related to connection issues. It can be a temporary glitch, a problem with the game files, or sometimes a server-related issue. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your network. Once done, try launching the game again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. If there is an update, install it and then check for the error again. If the game is up to date but the error still persists, try repairing the game files. Once the repair is complete, relaunch the game and check for the error. If you are still having the issue, then try connecting your device over a different network. It can be an alternate Wi-Fi or mobile data. So try this and see if this helps. At last, if nothing works, then it can be a server-related issue. So we suggest you wait for a few hours and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.